Hey guys, welcome to PC Tips Pro. This is Shrija over here, and in today's video we're gonna see how to build a website from scratch easily in very few steps. So before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. And now let's get into the video. Before we build a website, firstly we need a hosting service provider. So for the hosting service provider, I'm going with Hostinger. So in the Hostinger we have you can just scroll down, just logging into this, just opening this hostinger.in. You can just scroll down this, and then here you can find all the plans. So here you have single web hosting, premium web hosting, and business web hosting. You can choose them accordingly with your requirements. Like you have many features over here, like here you have one website and 30 GB SSD storage and many more. And here you get a free domain, free SSL also. So you can choose one among these three. So firstly we can go over this premium web hosting, and you can even go over this business web hosting. It's all up to you. So we'll go over this. We'll click on add to cart, and then here you can see there are different periods of time. So here you have 1 month, 12 months, 24 and 48 months. So you can choose this 48 month plan, and then here you can select the payment method. And here you can find the features like you have 24/7 chat support, excellent customer reviews you have, and you get this optimized for WordPress, and you get this top speed and performance. And here you can see the overall total, and you can click on submit secure payment to make the payment done. So here also you have 30 days money back guarantee. If you don't find it, you absolutely will like this, but if you have any problems, you can just get this 30-day money back guarantee. And then here you can enter your payment details, and it's up to you. And then you can just click on the pay now, and you will get an option where you can select your credentials. So you can select the credentials, and after then you can just log into this Hostinger just by going back to this hostinger.in. You can just click on this login button and you can log in. Once you have logged into your Hostinger account, you can see something like this. So you can just click on claim your domain. So just by clicking on this claim your domain, you just need to verify. So you can enter your domain name here, and you can give your extension, and then it can be .com or .in or anything. After this you just need to verify like your country and all, and click on next step, and you can give your contact details. So then you can find this, your domain verification is pending. You'll get a verification email to your email that you have provided. So then by just clicking on the email, you can verify your domain name. So then these are the details. So once you are done, just click on the setup. So then click on start now, and then here we need to choose a domain because we now need a new domain. We don't have an existing domain. So just click on this choose a domain, and then here we need to choose the build a new website, and then here our platform will be WordPress. So select WordPress. So then after selecting this WordPress as our platform, then we'll be giving our email address and password. So then give your password and just click on continue, and then you can find some themes over here. So you can select some themes and you can add this to your website. Like you can make the themes and pages look more professional. So you can choose them from here, or else you can just hover onto them. You can have a preview of them, or else we can even install them in the later parts of the video. I'll show you how can you install the themes. And then if you want to have a look at more themes, you can just click on show more. Or if you're not interested with these themes, or you want to explore in the next coming minutes, you can just go and you can see this, how can we install themes in the WordPress. So then you can just click on skip, and then here we are almost completed this setting up process. So click on finish setup, and after this our website is ready. So we'll just go to the control panel to just have a installation of SSL. So once you go to this control panel, and and make sure to enable this force HTTPS. So it's some important one for our website, so just make sure to make it active, and then so that it makes your website secure. And then you can find this SSL section in this advanced part. So here in the advanced, here you can find this SSL, and then here you can click on install SSL, and then your SSL is successfully installed. And then we'll get back. So yes, don't forget to enable this option force HTTPS. And then here, just by entering /vp admin to your website, you can go to this WordPress dashboard. So you'll be landed here. Login credentials are required here, so give your email and password and click on login. And after this is our WordPress dashboard. This will be our WordPress dashboard. And now here in the settings, we'll go to this permalink section, which is in the left column. So when you scroll down, you can see this settings. So then just set it to the post name, so that your website URL will be very simple. It doesn't have this complex numbers and alphabets and all, so it will be having a very simple name for your website. So like this. So just click on post name. So and don't forget to click on save changes. And then we'll go to this pages. Firstly we'll see how can we add our pages. So go to pages and click on all pages to see whatever pages are there here. So there are some pages, because this is already a built website, so I want to just show you how this looks like and how can you add your pages. So here, if you have any unwanted page, so you can just you can just hover onto it, and here you can see this trash option. Then click on this trash, so that your page will be deleted, and then it is successfully deleted. And if you want to add any pages, so you can do it just by going to this pages and clicking on add new page. You can add a new page to your WordPress websites. So when you click on this add page, so then it will be loading, and you can just do it in few simple steps. So then okay, we can just click on next and next. So here we just need to give the title to our page. So I would give it to be our home page. So let's so I am assuming that you are building from scratch, so I'm giving it to be home page. And let's add the content and all in the other few steps. Like we can add the content whenever we need. We can even make changes to this content, so I'll just keep it blank for now. So when you are done with the title, just click on publish. So our page is published. So you can just get back, and you can see your page is in this list. You can find it. So here you can see your home page. So here we found it, and you can even add more pages, like as much as required for your website. So you can make it more interactive and creative by adding different elements. Also I'll show you how can you do it. So you can just remove unwanted pages and add required pages by this method. And then now I'll show you how can you add your themes. So I have just shown you that you can add a template before, like while setting up your account, or else now also. So in order to do this, you can go to this appearances section, and here you can find themes. So just click on themes, and then you can go to this section, and you can search for your themes. Like you can get themes from different Google searches also, which are more relevant to your business or your page, or you can get suggestions. So you can just do it in either way. So we can choose the themes from here, or you can just click on add new theme, and then you can search for a new theme. Just by giving a name of your theme, you can search for your theme. So when you got your theme that is really meant for you, or you feel like it suits your website very well, so you can just hover onto it, and you can just click here to have a preview of the theme. How does it looks on your website? And then If you like it, you can just click on this install button. So once you click on this install, so after it gets installed, you just need to activate it in order to get it on your website. It is as simple as that. So now it is been installed, then we just click on activate to activate this theme on our website. So now so this is the themes, so where we can add some professional stuff to our website, and we do have plugins here. So I just want to quickly tell you what plugins are. Plugins add functionality to your pages, like it may be anything, so it gives your page more functions and more creativity, like you can use them. You have lots and lots of plugins available. You can search for them, you can explore for them, you can just install them in the plugin section. Click on add new plugin. So by clicking on add new plugin, you can install new plugins, and by just clicking on the install plugins, you can see the plugins that are installed in your WordPress. You can see like this, and if you don't want them, you can just delete them. You can activate or deactivate them like this. So then we have created our page and all. So now we'll go to this general settings that we have just seen, I have told you, and go to the reading, and here we will set our home page to homepage, the post page to shop page, or else you can even add your post page. Just go to the pages section and click on add new page. So by clicking on this add new page, we can add a new page. So yes, so just click on add new, and then we can give it a title called as post page, and then we can add it to your general settings of reading, so that it will be your default post page, like it will be your blog. So then we'll give the title to be post page. And now we are done. Then click on publish. So this will be published. So let's get back and then go to the general settings, reading. So yes, in the reading section, and now you can select your post page to post page that we have just created. So then now we'll go to the appearances. So we wanted to add our pages to the website, WordPress website. So we have created our pages successfully. Now we need to add them. So in order to do that, go to the appearances and click on menu section, and then here you can find different pages that we have just made, or you can just click on view all to view all the pages that you have made. So then you can just click on the pages that you want to add to menu, that is to your page. Click on add to menu, and then you can find your post page and home page here. So you can even change this order and all. So if you don't want them, you can even remove them just by opening this drop down, and then you can remove them. So this is all how you can make this. So just click on save menu in order to save these settings and all. So then, so I just want to tell you the difference between the post and pages. So you can just think of pages as your static content, or one of kind of content that will seldom need changing. So you can, and then post on the other hand, your blog entries or dynamic content that gets added regularly. So pages, we don't really make changes regularly, we hardly do them. So our post will be something which we frequently need updates and all. So this is the major difference between them. So now as we are clear till here, we'll go visit our site and make some customization to our site. So let's go to visit site. And then this is all how we can see it. So this is the theme that we have installed and many more things. So here, and now just click on the customize option that you can see here, and then you can customize your site now using WordPress. So here you can see this is our theme, and then click on the site identity, and you can see your site title is this PC Tips Pro, and the tagline is not so impressive. You can just remove this, and you can add some catchy tagline or some creative tagline that will attract your visitors. So you can add it, it's all up to you. And then you can click on select site icon in order to select a site icon, so which will be appearing here like this. And then we'll go back and we'll see other settings. So you can even add colors to the text just by clicking on this pencil option. You can change this text, and by clicking this pencil option you can change this text and you can give colors to it. And then we can see this menus region, main menu. So we have many things here, you can change them, you can even add new items also. And then go back, and then we can just go back and we can see other options also. So then here you can also have this views, like you can see this how it looks in the desktop mode, and how does this site look in the tablet, and how does this look in the mobile phone. So you can even make many more changes. Don't be afraid to explore all the changes. So you can save this settings just by clicking the publish option. So I haven't made any changes till now, so I couldn't get any publish option. So if I make a change, like if I want to add some space here, so you automatically gets this publish button highlighted. So click on the publish in order to publish your changes. So then this is how we can do it with this customize option. You can even add logos and many more things. So then after this we can go back, and now here you can see edit with Elementor option. Click on edit with Elementor. So as all the themes are made with Elementor, we can make many changes to our website easily and in a very creative way with the Elementor. So by just clicking on edit with Elementor, you will be landed onto this page like this. So you can add a text just by dragging and dropping your text. So here you can see you will be having this plus icon. Just click on the plus icon and choose your structure. So if I choose this kind of structure, and then here we can go to our Elementor, and then you can just drag and drop this heading section over here. Let's click your structure, and here so just drag and drop this text here. So yes, so in order to add your text, and if you want to add your buttons or images or anything, if you want to add your button, you can just drag it and drop it here in order to add your button. So you can just click on this, you can change this text, or you can add even more images just by clicking on this plus icon. And if you want to delete any blocks, you can just hover onto them, click on this close option in order to delete those. And you can change this text also just by clicking here. You can change this text, and you can change this text. So lot more things you can do with this Elementor. You have many more elements, images you can add videos, you can add your spacers, Google Maps, and your icons, VP forms, and many more. You can just click on the image like this, and you can find this. You can click on choose image, and you can add a different image. So in this way you can customize your WordPress website. So we have many more elements here. You can delete the text, you can add the text, you can change the colors to your text just by clicking. So I'll just show you. If you just click here, you can change the size of your text, and you can link this text to some other thing, or else you can change the text. Click on the style. Here you can change your color, you can add padding, margin, and then background image, and you can do many more things using this Elementor. You can customize your website in a much professional, and you can make it look more professional and creative. So this is all for this video, guys. I hope you found this video useful to you, and now by this video you'll be able to, being a very beginner, you'll be able to build your website from the scratch. Thank you for watching, guys, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to PC Tips Pro.